Hello beautiful people, hi my positive vibers, welcome to another recipe. Have you been looking for the best way, to make broccoli? Search no more, because on today's video I want to show you the best way you can make your broccoli stir fry in such a way that you are going to enjoy every bite. Stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video. Let's go guys. For watching my video guys, I truly appreciate you. Do not forget, subscribe, like and share. I am gonna see you on my next video. Bye guys.